So, car vlog. And I'm well aware that the camera is tilted, but there's not really much I could do about it. And I only have to, oh shit. Woo! You can't slow down like that, sister! Wow, I almost got in an accident for the third time. And it's only been like 15 minutes. I love that. That's so great. Oh, so there's a Starbucks in the school that I go to. And they just have like the basic drinks, but I only drink like pretty much basic drinks. One thing that I recently found when I was shopping was the Nitro Cold Brew. And that is the best coffee I've ever had in my entire life. I'll tell you what, right now, my entire life, never had a better coffee. In my entire life, I've never had a better coffee than the Nitro Cold Brew at Starbucks. And it was
It's not my fault. Oh my god, I don't always be on.
Oh, you dumb. Now, who the hell decided that they should slow down half the damn speed on the highway? I'm about to pass them. I should actually go on their tracks because they're fresh. I have the most iconic ideas. Wow. Skinny mind. Yeah, Nitro Cold Brew was like $6, which is really expensive for me, because I drive to school every day and I go to college. Oh, yeah, now we're gonna go a whole fucking 20 miles an hour. Wow, I love that. That's great. Okay. So, I actually really love when we go a fraction of the speed limit because that makes the trip take 5 million hours longer than it's supposed to. So, there's only one Starbucks in like a 90-mile radius of me that has the Nitro Cold Brew. Wow, the roads are so bad, which really just kind of makes me mad, because I really liked it. It was like so cool. Wow, that's number 6. Oh, this dumbass fucking jump. I know you fucking lying. I'll tell you what. You're not passing me too, dumbass. Road rage. You dumb bitch. Oh, fuck you. Dumb. Oh, fuck. Dumb fuck. Oh my god, these dumbasses. I drive a tractor trailer and pass me going 60. In the bad lane. The lane that has an inch of fucking slush on it. Welcome to Northern New York. Alright, left. Yep. Oh shit. I'll tell you what's fucking good. Yeah, we gotta get. You know what? Yeah, we gotta kind of pass this person that just keeps slamming on their damn brakes. I'll tell you that much. My car's so fucking bad in the snow, I'll tell you what. But like, it's literally worth it because that's like that's like the 6th time that they almost got in an accident. So, fuck that person. You can't slam on your damn brakes, you dumb fuck. You dumb frick. Yeah, I'm like literally driving in 2 inches of snow on the highway. Thanks. It's lovely. Okay, and we're past the people that don't know how to drive. And we're back on the road. Oh, okay, there's a new person slamming on their brakes. Okay, now we're going... Go 30. 30 is the speed that I drive down my road in town. Yeah, we're gonna have to get over. Sister, switch lanes. Okay, so back to the whole Starbucks thing. So I normally get the iced Americano, which is literally just an espresso with water in it. Oh, that's my neighbor. Oh, that's not my neighbor. Never mind. Now do we pass the plow? Do we pass the damn plow? Do we pass the plow? Would we like to get home sometime tomorrow? Or would we like to get home next week? It all depends on whether we pass the plow, and we're gonna pass the plow. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna be a dead son bitch. Wait, what the fuck? Why are the roads like better? Oh. Wait, why are the roads better? Oh my god. Conspiracy theory. Hey, what's up, you guys? Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes. I have a theory that plows actually make the road worse. Okay, that person's going way too fast in that lane. They should not be going that fast, I'll tell you what. You're gonna be dead some bitch. Wait. That person was parked ahead of me in front of Bed Bath & Beyond. Wow. 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 The roads are so much better after you pass that plow. Damn you, plow. Right? Yeah, brakes work great. Oh, don't hit the brakes. Never mind. Oh, that person's stomping on their brakes. Why? Oh, someone got pulled over. 2 people got pulled over? What the fuck? Fuck the police. Oh, okay, never mind. 2 people didn't get pulled over. It's just one. I didn't have to pull over for them. Are you kidding? Are you actually joking? So, what happened up here? What happened up here? That car went right off and it like twirled around. Wow. 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 Holy shit. Yes, the iced Americano. The iced Americano. So, wow, the roads are so much better. Okay, literally, I had too much caffeine today. I had way too much caffeine today, and that's why I'm just ding, 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 just bouncing off everything. And that's why I'm just like all over. So I normally get the iced Americano, right? Just espresso and water. That's literally all it is. I was like, can I just have an iced espresso? And she's like,
Just an espresso?
I was like,
Yes.
In a cup?
I was like, yes. Can I just have an iced espresso?
and she goes,
Like a shot of espresso?
I was like,
Yes.
she goes,
In a cup?
No, in my damn hand.
just kidding.
Shit. Oh shit.
I get the coffee in a little cup. You know, it's about that much in a like grande cups. And she goes,
Sorry, I've just never done anything like that before.
I was like,
You're all good, sister. Me either.
I could have literally just watered it down a minute into an Americano for almost a whole entire $1 cheaper. $1. So for like literally not even a full $2. It was $1.95. Not even a full $2. I got that much caffeine. I don't know how much a shot of espresso has, but how much does a shot of espresso at Starbucks have? Shit, I forgot to say caffeine. How much caffeine does a shot of espresso at Starbucks have? Continue on iPhone. No, I'm driving the damn car. I'm not gonna go on my phone. Wow, it's kind of dark now. Alright. Well, thank you so much. And like, I don't know, like the video or something. That'd be kind of cool, kind of good, kind of fresh. If you want to go back and dislike my first video because it was really bad, do that. I actually recommend that. So thanks so much. Bye.